Hello everyone and welcome to What After Dentistry. Now if you remember, 1 or 2 weeks back we had started with the immigration series or dentistry abroad series, wherein the very first country that we covered was Canada. So if you still haven't watched that video, I will leave the link of that video in the description so that you can check it out. Today our video is in continuation to the immigration of dentistry abroad series, and hence we will be talking about how to practice dentistry in Dubai. Now before I start with the video, I would like to let you know that all the information that I have collated is from the Dubai Health Authority official website. I will share the PDF or the document from where I got all this information, and I will link that in the description so that you can check out for more details. So stay tuned and watch till the end. Now, before I get into the details of the process, as I always say, if you haven't subscribed to our channel, which you haven't yet, because I see that we do get views on the video, but people are not subscribing. Subscribe kar do yaar, it's totally free. And the same, if you're watching this on Facebook or LinkedIn, then please like our page. All this subscription or liking, if you like our page, like our videos, this is a way of, this is how we basically get motivated to create such videos for you all. So now, without further ado, let's get started with the video. So the agenda of today's video will lie under these buckets. 1. The eligibility of the DHA dental exam. The application process or how to apply for DHA dental exam. The processing fees, time required, the exam pattern, and some FAQs. Now, talking about the eligibility to apply for the DHA dental exam, it is mandatory to have 2 years of experience after internship, and this experience will start once you receive the the provisional certificate, the BDS certificate, or the license registration. So whichever is earlier. After that, once you have started working in the industry, then your 2 years experience will be counted. So after you have worked for 2 years, two and a half years, you can apply for DHA dental examination. Now the application process basically has series of steps involved. The very first step is to create an online profile of yours in the on the DHA official website. So I will link the DHA official website link below so that you can check it out. So the very first is creating your profile. Once you create your profile, you will have to submit your documents. All this will involve an application fee. Once the documents are submitted and received by the DHA authorizing bodies, then they will be basically doing a data flow verification, or what we also call as primary source verification. So again, at this step, to apply for PSV or data flow verification, there is an application, there is a processing fee involved. Once you make the payment, they will start with the process, I think within 48 hours. Now once this PSV is done, they will be giving you an oral assessment date, wherein you will have to appear for this assessment. Again, for this assessment, there will be, I think, certain documents which will be required. You can check out the details in the description. I've linked the document which basically gives you all the application process. So once your oral assessment is completed, then you will have to apply for Prometric dental exam, which is a written examination which consists of MCQs. And once you clear this exam, then you will have to, once you clear the examination, you will be given an eligibility letter, and basis on your eligibility letter, you can get a job in Dubai to practice dentistry. So this is how, at the overall big picture, the entire application process looks like. Creating your online profile, submitting your documents, then data flow verification, assessment, which is an oral assessment, and then sitting for the Prometric dental examination, and then once you clear the examination, you get an eligibility letter. So I hope the entire application process is clear. This is at the high level. If you want to know what kind of documents are required, what is done in the data flow verification, you can always check out the document that I have linked in the description below for more details. Now moving on to the processing fees. Now at every step, as I said earlier, there is a fee which is involved. So for example, for the initial fee or the application fee, when you create your profile and then you submit your documents, so that application fee involved is 220 dirhams. Then at the time of data flow verification or PSV, which is the primary source verification, the amount required is 1235 dirhams. Once you clear the PSV, you will have to then apply for Prometric dental exam, which is the written examination. Before written examination, there is an assessment fee, the oral assessment fee, which is 520 dirhams. And then for Prometric dental examination, the application fee or the processing fee is $210 US. So if you calculate the total amount, basically it lies anything between 60,000 to 1 lakh rupees. So the minimum is 60,000. If you calculate everything, at one attempt, if you're clearing everything, then it becomes around 55 to 60,000. If you are not clearing at one attempt, or there are certain documents which are required, then you will have to, either reappear for the examination, or you will have to submit certain documents, extra documents which are required by the authorizing body. So to submit every extra document will cost you around 300 dirhams. So that's why, it ranges from 60,000 to 1 lakh Indian rupees. Now the entire time which is required, if you calculate the total time which is required, it is again broken down into certain steps. So the very first, or the application process that you start off with, creating your profile and submitting your documents, which goes under verification, that basically involves a minimum of 2 to 4 weeks time. So credentializing is what we call it as. So the credentializing or submitting your documents, that will require around 2 to 4 weeks of your time. Once that is cleared, and then the data flow verification, once it is done by the DHA, that will start within 48 hours once they receive the payment, and the entire process might take around 2 months. So once that is done, they will be giving you an oral assessment date. You will have to apply for that. You will have to appear for that assessment on the date which has been provided. And then lastly you will have to sit for the Prometric dental examination as per the schedule which is defined. So the entire timeline which is required to complete the entire process, starting from credentializing to sitting for the examination and getting the exam results, is basically it ranges anywhere between 6 months to 1 year. Now 6 months, as I said, that's the minimum which it will require if you clear everything at one step. If everything is taking a little time, then it might stretch out to 1 year, but then that's the maximum time that people usually take. Within 1 year, they usually complete all the process, all the steps, and they sit for the examination, and they also clear the exam. The DHA dental exam pattern, it's only a theory examination which consists of 150 MCQs, and the time which is given to complete the examination is 2.5 hours. Now this test is basically done digitally, which is it's a computer based test, and it is conducted at the centers, and every state of India has at least one center where you will have to go and appear for the examination. Now coming to the last section, wherein what are the few FAQs that people generally ask. The very first and the common one is, what are the documents which are required? Now this is a huge list of documents which are required, which I will not be able to cover in this video, because then if I cover every document, it will take, the video will become very longer. So I have mentioned all the details in all these documents that are required. Everything will be mentioned in the description below, and you can check that out from the description. The second most common question is how to study for the dental exam. Now it is totally up to you. If you are good and proficient in the the theory examination or in the theory part of the dentistry, everything, if you've prepared for NEET, mostly the questions will be based around like the MCQs that we get in NEET. But then if you think that you need more of preparation, or you need somebody to help you out, there are coaching centers which basically prepare you for the dental examination. You can apply in these coaching centers and get yourself trained, because they will only be talking about very specific topics which are very commonly asked in the examination. So do check out these agencies or coaching centers which help you to prepare for DHA dental examination. So either you can do a self study, and if you feel that you are ready to appear for the examination, you can take a mock test, which is very easily, if you Google mock test for DHA dental exam, you will get like good questionnaires wherein you can appear for the mock test, and you can see if you are good, ready for the exam. You can directly apply. If you still feel that you need some external help, then please check out these coaching centers which help you to prepare for DHA dental exam. The next FAQ is what is the exam result, in how many days the exam result is declared, and what is the validity. Now the exam result is basically it is declared within the 5 working days once the exam has been conducted, and the validity, if you pass the exam, the result is valid for 5 years, and with the result, once you pass the result, you get an eligibility letter. Now this eligibility letter is only valid for 1 year. So within 1 year, if you do not move to Dubai for any reason and you don't start practicing, or you don't get the job in Dubai, then you will have to renew your eligibility letter. But that does not mean that you will have to appear for the examination. You will not have to appear for the examination. You will have to submit your the latest work experience that you have had of practicing dentistry in your home country, and then you can get your eligibility renewed for another period of 1 year. How to land a job is, this eligibility letter basically will help you to get a job. It will help you to search for a job and apply for a job. Once you apply and you get selected, your employer will now take this eligibility letter and convert it into a license for you. So once they convert this license for you, again at this moment of time, they will be requiring some documents from your side, and that will differ from employer to employer, but generally these are the working documents and the usual official documents that are required. So they will be up, and apart from the documentation, they might also require some medical health certificates, like say a vaccination certificate, and now they might be requiring the COVID-19 vaccination certificate. So all those test reports, not certificate basically. So all these kind of health official documents plus the medical health certificates or documents or reports is something that your employer will be requiring once they start the process of converting your eligibility letter into a license, so that you can start practicing dentistry in Dubai. Now there's also a processing fee which is involved to issue the license to you once the eligibility letter is converted into a license, or during this conversion process. This fee will be ranging somewhere around 3,000 dirhams, and depending on your employer, it can vary. Basically, either the employer can partly pay for this license, or they can take they can just provide the entire amount for you, and then you can start working. And also there is some cash amount also is required, which is like I think around 20 dirhams, which is that when you get this delivery of the license. So when you get the license, to get that license, you will also have to pay like additional 20 dirhams to like a cash payment. So this is the entire process of how you can apply for or how you can practice dentistry in Dubai, starting from the eligibility to the application process, the fees which is required, the entire time required. Hope that this information has been helpful in defining the entire process for you, and it will help you to take those steps in starting your application process to apply for DHA dental examination. If you like this video, then please like, share, subscribe कर दो please, free है. And if you're watching this video on Facebook, then please like our page, that is also free. Also, just before I end this video, we are coming up with an interactive session with Dr. Akshay Anil, who is a general dental practitioner in UAE, and he will basically help us to understand the entire process which is required to practice dentistry in UAE. Also, you can see his work. He's done an amazing work while he's been there. I think he's been 2 years he's been practicing in UAE, and before that he has been practicing in India. So I will see you at the session. I hope to see you at the session basically. Until then, bye and good luck.